Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will show you a trick that how can you make a negative sentence and interrogative sentences with the help of auxiliary verb, with the help of helping verb. So easy. If there is auxiliary verb, it may be any sentence. You should just put not after the sentences. By this way you can make negative sentence. Just put not. Suppose I will show you from start. Present indefinite, does not or do not. Past indefinite, did not. Future indefinite, will not, shall not. Present continuous, is not, am not, are not. Past continuous, was not, were not. Future continuous, will not, will be not, shall be not, shall not, will not be. Okay, and there is two auxiliary verbs. You should just put this not between these two auxiliary verbs. And shall not be, will not be. Okay, this is negative. You can using. And you just put not after the main auxiliary verb if there is two auxiliary verb. Yeah, if there is a single auxiliary verb, a single helping verb, you just put not after that auxiliary verb. By this way you can make negative sentence. Now come to the interrogative. If you have auxiliary verb in the sentences, just bring that auxiliary verb, that helping verb before the sentence. By this way you can make interrogative sentence. Let's start. And present indefinite, does or do are using before the sentences. And the last, you should notice one thing. The last there will be a sign of interrogation in question mark. Present indefinite, does or do is using before sentences. Past indefinite, did, and the second form of do and does it, did. And future indefinite, will or shall. Present continuous, is or am. Past continue, was, were at the beginning of sentences. Future continues, will or shall. Will or shall. In all, I will give you a notice in advance. In all interrogative sentences of future tense, shall or will be before the sentence. In future tense, there is shall or will are always using, but sometimes there are two or three auxiliary verbs. So you should put just shall or will before the sentence, and that's all. Now come to the perfect sentences. Have or has before the sentence, and present perfect is have, past perfect had, future perfect, shall or will the subject plus have, and there is two auxiliary verbs, so you should just shall or will before the sentences. That's then will after the subject. Then come to the perfect continuous tenses. In the present perfect continuous tenses. So have or has before sentences. There is two auxiliary has been, have been is using, but you don't see about the other tenses. Have or has before the sentence, and then the subject, and then been or third from the verb. Then ng from the verb, sense of all, that's it. But you should put has or have before the sentences. And I come to the formula. Has or have, and auxiliary the main verb before sentences. Then the past perfect continuous tense, had before the sentences. The future perfect continuous tense, will or have, will or shall before the sentence, will or shall before the sentences. So this is the usage of a helping verb, auxiliary verb. Okay, this is so simple. And I will give you one trick about the present indefinite tense. For if you make the negative sentences, if there is is with the verb, if there is with the verb, you should put after the subject does not. If there is no s, just put do not after the subject. This is negative. If there is with the verb, put does before the sentences. If there is no s, put do before the sentences. That's it. And then that verb which is s or es, when you come to the negative interrogative, there will be no use of s or esn. This is just simple sentences of present indefinite that there is a headache. In a s or es, then the formula come to the verb, the verb, the last letter of the word will be o s h c h, and that's, and then you should use the es if the y m I is la 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 la. And it is so complicated. This is confusion. Okay, I discussed already in the tenses, but this is just a short formula, a short video that you should, by helping verb, you memorize all the tenses. And then come to the past indefinite tense. This is a very tricky sentence of the past indefinite. This is the only tense where the affirmative sentence take the second form of the word. But if you want to make the negative, you just put did not after the subject, and then the second form of the verb will become first form of the verb. You have come to the interrogative, did before the sentences, and then the verb will become first form of the verb. That's it. This is the uses of auxiliary verb. And you should memorize auxiliary verb. I will teach you auxiliary verb. Is, are, am, was, were, be. Is, are, am, was, were, be. The is, are, am is the first form. Was, were is the second form. And been is the third form. And being, ing form. Being. Which is using in the future perfect continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Sorry. Future continuous tense using will be being, shall be in active officio. You will learn about that. And is, are, am, was, were, be. Have, has, had. Have, has, had. Been is also the second form of have and has. If you look at the dictionary. Then come to the do, does, did. Do, does, did. Have or has, had. Will or shall. Will, second word, shall, should. Can, could. May, might. So this is the helping verb. You should memorize that. It is so easy, and there is a lot of uses of this kind of helping verb. You can make a lot of sentences with the using of helping verb, auxiliary verb. Sometimes I'm using auxiliary, sometimes I'm helping. It is the same word. Okay. So maybe I hope you may understand. That is so important video. You should watch it again and again. I make this video after a lot of research. If you just memorize the auxiliary verb, except from present indefinite and past indefinite, that there is no auxiliary verb in simple sentences, then all the tenses and all the continuous tenses has auxiliary verb, all the perfect tense has auxiliary verb, the future indefinite tense is also the auxiliary verb. So you should just put not after that word negative. You just bring that helping verb, auxiliary verb before the sentences. Interrogative. So easy. No confusion. Okay. See you then for the next video. I think I will make the same topic in Urdu, but especially for Asian countries that they don't know about English language, and maybe I will make it for my Pathan people in Pashto. See you then. Take care of yourself, your family. See you then. Bye bye. Thank you so much for your time and support. Thank you.